Om Sairam. Sairam, the message of Bhagwan Baba, the divine message. I am going to refer here from Prashanti Vahini. You may please listen till the end, and if you are pleased, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Sairam. Sai says, mankind can win happiness only through unity and not through diversity. If thoughts and feelings run along the routes of distinction and division, happiness is beyond reach and peace cannot be experienced without peace. You have no chance to be joyful. Consider the one indivisible ocean as the goal. What does the distinction of flow matter? What does the name matter? The rivers merge in self of same sea, don't they? Spiritual aspirants and devotees who adopt the path of yoga, the path of devotion, or the path of peace, dharma, truth, and love reach the ocean of grace at last. And name and form fade away, distinctions disappear. They are blessed with merger in sea of peace. So, unity must always be kept before the eye. Never nourish ideas of differences of distinct names and forms of the Lord of divergent paths. Such ideas are obstacles for the attainment of bliss. Avoid these obstacles. Develop equal vision. Remember, peace is the royal road to strengthen that vision and reach the ocean of grace. Om Sairam.